In this video, I will show you how to fix sign in failed error in your Tesla account. So first of all, open Chrome. Make sure that you're connected to stable Wi-Fi connection. Once you're sure of that, search for tesla.com, then click on it. From here, click on this menu bar in the top right corner. Here at the last you can see account. If you have already signed into your account, you can log back out and try to sign in again. From here, put in your email, then click on next. Now put in your password and try signing in. Now sometimes the problem may be because of the wrong password, and sometimes you might have logged into Tesla account, or you might have created your Tesla account with some other email, and right now you might be trying to sign in with some other email. So you can simply click on change here, then put in the correct email address, then simply go to next, put in your password and then try signing in. And if it still does not work, check if you have turned on any VPN or proxy. If it is, then turn those off. And if the web version is not working, what you can do is simply go to the Play Store. In the search bar, search for Tesla app, then download it and try to log into the Tesla account from there. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.